Hey crafty friends, Lee here. Welcome. I recently picked up the My Monthly Hero June Kit from Hero Arts, and so I thought I would show you 5 cards that I made with this kit as a little inspiration. I haven't done a video like this, so let me know in the comments if these are things that you like. I know I love watching videos like this and seeing all the fun projects that people do with some of the kits for added inspiration. So for the June Kit, this is their color palette. And so you actually get a half sheet of all of these Spellbinders cardstocks here. I love the Spellbinders cardstocks. They are one of my favorite. They are nice, smooth, a great heavyweight. And then you have this cute little die set, fun floats. You get all these different floaties that you can use to create some cards. The Hello Summer Stamp and Cut. It's got a lot of great little sentiments. Soak up the sun. Life is better in flip-flops. You bring the sunshine. Then we have Hello Sunshine and Hello Summer. You've got some cute little flip-flops, some things to make different ice creams, sprinkles, even got a little sun. This was really cute, and I used all of those for my sentiments. Then we have the Reflection Layering Stencil. Love this one. You will see it on lots of my projects. It's a 3-layer stencil, super fun. And then the last is the Pool Party die set. This is super cute. I don't really have anything like this in my collection, so this was super cute to pick up. You got the little ladies swimming, you got different floaties, umbrellas, all kinds of stuff. And like I mentioned, you get several 10 sheets of cardstocks. I still have quite a bit left. So what you do and get in this kit, it will last you a while. So for these 5 cards, I did try to stick intentionally to using the stuff in the kit, and this is what I came up with. So for the first one, this is You Bring the Sunshine. Kind of have a little in the ground, or yeah, in the ground pool here. I love that. I got the little diving board. There's that reflective layering stencil in the background. If it's shown up on camera, I kind of did a sparkle embossing powder over all of the sentiments. I was looking for clear, but I couldn't find it. And I think this is from Michael's, but loved adding that little bit of sparkle. So for the kind of tiled looking background, I used this image here from the stamp set. I'll be honest, I don't totally know what that is for. Maybe that's supposed to be like another little popsicle, but I thought it was perfect to give a little concrete pattern there. The next up is these cute little flip-flops. This is from the stamp set, the Stamp and Cut. I just made a bunch of different colors that kind of coordinated with the palette. And I propped most of these sentiments up on several layers to kind of give that thick look. And then in the background here, I'm using the Delilah cardstock. But then if you can see, there's a little bit of a shimmer pattern. For that, I am just using the first layer of that stencil along with some Lisa Horton Interference ink. I think it's in Tutti Frutti maybe, but it's just a kind of a tone on tone just to give it a little sparkle. I think this would also be cute if you use the fawn cardstock that came in this set and kind of a brownish gold shimmer. I think it would kind of give it a fun sand look. So that would be cute for this as well. And then we've got Soak Up the Sun. So this is just that stencil in the background. We've got some color little gems. We got the little floaties. For this border, I just cut that with scissors, but I kind of traced along the edge of the pool die over here just to create that kind of edge to edge pool look in a little sun. Love how this one turned out as well. For this one, we've got the Hello Sunshine, the little flip-flops. This one, I use that bigger floaty. I've got some kind of metallic holographic cardstock that I use for the edge of the pool. This is a little off the card shaker. So I got my little shaker bits in there and just use some packaging for that. That way it could stay pretty thin. Soak Up the Sun on the inside. Y'all, these were so fun to make. Lastly, this is probably my favorite one. Hello Summer. Again, we've got that edge to edge pull look here with that stencil. Added some cute little clear gems here. And I kind of added a little smiley face to the sun, as well as put it on a little spinner and made it kind of a peekaboo card here sticking out. So for that part, I used the die for the umbrella here. So they have a solid one that kind of creates this little octagon shape. That is what I use to cut that out. Like I said, I'm trying to use things that come in the kit. You can usually certainly use a round die there as well. And since I didn't want it to be stark white in the back, I ink blended on the inside just using that first layer of the stencil, which I think it turned out really cute. You have the pull here, and then on the inside it kind of looks like you're in the sky with that. But loved how this turned out. These were super fun to make. And if these are kind of videos that you like, let me know in the comments. And let me know if you picked up this kit and if you've been making some neat cards. I love, like I said, seeing these kind of videos and inspiration. So if you like this video, I appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. And I would love to have you subscribed. I upload crafty videos twice a week to my channel. And thank you, everyone. I will see you on the next one.